Hello viewers, in this tutorial I'll show you how to fix Facebook Lite videos option not showing problem. So let's see how to fix it. For fixing this problem, first of all, go to settings. Now scroll down and find apps option. Now go to apps option. Now find Facebook Lite from the app list. Now tap on Facebook Lite. Scroll down, tap on storage, tap on clear cache, go back, tap on force stop, tap on OK to confirm. Now go back to home screen, open Play Store. Now search Facebook Lite. Search for Facebook Lite. Update your Facebook Lite apps if available any update version. After completing update process, now go to Facebook Lite and see videos option showing now. If still problem remaining, then uninstall your Facebook Lite apps and reinstall again. Hopefully this method will fix your problem. So thanks for watching. Stay connected for more updates.